Hello folks, this is Steve AP4L. Chick-fil-A doesn't look too crowded. It's 5:50 on this 103 degree Fahrenheit day. We're going to find out what the service is like today. I got a big bucket down there. I wonder what that's for. I guess I have to use the, there's a crowd inside. I wonder if that's, wow, there's a crowd inside. Right, I'd like a number one, the name is Steve, number one deluxe meal. Now hang on, what cheeses do you have? Colby Jack would be great. And I'd like a Coke Zero with no ice, please. I don't need any sauces, and that's the order. Thank you. Is this where I pay? Will you take American money? There you go. I'm just playing around. Yes, please. I love her smile. I've said that to you before. I'm serious. You should sell that smile in photography. There you go. He's not bad too, but you're really... Whoop. Oh, we're in a... Thank you. Now folks, the first time I drove by, I didn't know what that thing was on the green bucket, but that's a fan. Now the way that fan will work is if she's sweating, you understand? Otherwise, just blowing hot air at herself, so you need evaporation. She's got a couple orders in her hands. Does that fan really work out here? Okay. First time around, I didn't know what that was. Very good. Should we go? Okay, that guy must be wanting to get into line. Here's a person parked in the wrong place. Oh, I love people, yeah. There's nobody in the car. Yeah, we didn't have any spaces. I can't walk. So we'll just park in the wrong place and cause a traffic problem. Oh, I bet he's from up north. You'll pardon me, folks. Steve A. before you. Oh, the fries are hot. The fries are delicious. Steve A. before you. Come on, rain! Saying see you in 73.